All right, here is our rendering. All right, here is our revised drawing. This might work keeping the island centered with the sink centered on the island. So that's our sink cabinet, and it is centered in the island. So spice pull out, and then a tray divider to the right just to keep those balanced, or we delete this and just make these drawers wider because you already have a tray divider above your microwave, dishwasher. Again, sink is centered. And then if we look at the plan view as far as our space, from the patio wall to the edge of the countertop, we have 55.5. And on the other side, you have 46. So you could, and that's the face of this cabinet, not the front of the fridge. In front of that island, you can see is close to that fridge leg. Plenty of room here. I think this is still good. Cabinets on the back. This does shoot out past this, but again, the only time you're going to notice that is if you stand right here and line these two up. And the island is, I think, 104. Yeah, the cabinet case is 104, and you're going to add about 3 inches for countertop. And then this way, you're about 48. So 48 by 107 for the island. All right, let me know if that works. Thanks.